Akeredolu has been sworn in for the second term in office. The ceremony was done in Akure, the capital of Ondo State, on Wednesday, February 24th. Akeredolu also declared that Governor Obaseki will soon leave PDP for APC. Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu of Ondo State has specially thanked Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki for coming for his second term inauguration. The Nation reports Akeredolu, while giving a vote of thanks to dignitaries, appreciated Obaseki, saying that he would make sure he brings him back to the All Progressives Congress (APC). Recall that Obaseki had defected from the APC to the People's Democratic Party (PDP) during the 2020 election. Governor Akeredolu says Obaseki will soon leave PDP, and he said he will make sure he does that. Obaseki's defection followed his disqualification to contest for the governorship by the APC screening committee for the election. He eventually won the election on the platform of the PDP. Meanwhile, Bio reports had previously reported that Akeredolu was on Wednesday, February 24th, sworn in for his second term after winning the last gubernatorial election. It was reported that the governor, alongside his running mate Lucky Ayedatiwa, took the oath of office in Akure, the state capital. Among governors who attended the occasion held at the International Culture and Event Center in Akure was those of Lagos, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Edo, Governor Obaseki, Osun, Gboyega Oyetola, Ogun, Dapo Abiodun, and Ekiti, Kayode Fayemi. Akeredolu had disclosed that he was dissolving his cabinet ahead of his second term inauguration scheduled for Wednesday, February 24th. He thanked the officials who served on his cabinet for their service to Ondo State. According to him, they had worked together as one, and the interests of the state had remained paramount throughout their services to the state governments. In a related report, Governor Obaseki accused Adams Oshiomhole administration of defrauding the Edo people under the guise of the 30 billion naira Benin stormwater project. Obaseki made the allegation on Monday, February 22nd, when he inspected the textile mill road catchment of the project in Benin City. The Edo governor claimed the project was a ruse that had no benefits for the people of the Edo state, adding that his administration would probe the project and recover money stolen. Okay, they are beginning to speak. Well, I don't think it's going to be a big deal. He can still defect. Of course, everybody knows that it's not that he really loved the PDP, but because of he was driven out from the APC, and the APC could not even help him. All the people, even Akeredolu, that is saying that he's going to make sure that he comes back, how were they able to speak with the APC? Because as we speak, all of them they might still put all the blame on Oshiomhole. But to me, it is you people that made him to leave. Because if you guys were really together, Oshiomhole wouldn't have even done what he did, and he was acting based on the APC, and it was APC that removed him. What effort did you guys make just to make sure that he didn't go? You allow him to go, and it's not as if Obaseki himself like PDP then, but they just had to do what they needed to do, and it favored PDP. But of course, we'll be hearing a lot of things. Some people have been talking here and there. I think Oju Zokalu was saying that some governors will defect back to APC. That is their own cup of tea. Whether they go to APC or whether they go to PDP. Even in PDP, what are we gaining? Not talk of APC that is even making life uncomfortable for everybody. So that is their life. If Jonathan himself, any moment from now, you will hear him go back to APC. They know that there's something. It is only a corrupt party that you see a lot of people flooding, because there's something they are gaining from there. Because if you see the caliber of people going and defecting to APC, you just check them. You just check them yourself. And again, looking at the way the country is, there's no difference between PDP and APC. There's already a template that they are all following. Whether you are in PDP or you are in APC, all of them are still stealing. All of them are still stealing in their own capacity. So it is neither here nor there. If you defect, it's not going to. The world will not collapse. Nothing is going to change. People have been envisaging that right from time. Well, you would have said all the PDP governors will join APC because you guys are special than opposition party. A daylight dream. Is that the reason Akete has not been able to pay full salary of the pensioner and others? Don't even fight for anybody. Don't even defend all these politicians. He can still move. And if he moves, his followers will still move with him. And nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. That is it. Nothing will definitely happen. The world will not collapse. That is how they do. So all those who are still defending politicians, stop it though, because these people, there's something else. What did he forget in APC that he come and carry after all the humiliation Adams gave up? What are you talking about? He will still go back. If you know what these people do behind the door, I mean the closed door, you wouldn't even believe. Don't just start defending them because they are not worth defending. Whether they are in APC, they are in PDP, they should do the bidding of the people. That is what the people are really concerned about. Expel Oshomole from Association of Past Criminals. You want to probe? Go on. For una mind, 100% certain he might leave. Keep on dreaming. There's no need. PDP and APC are the same. Congratulations, Governor Akeredolu. We rejoice with you. Wishing you more speed in your people-oriented program. Have a peaceful reign. God bless Ondo State. Like you said, they are all the same. They are same. They are same. So if you are still there, say, PDP, even the wicked that you think he might not defeat, he might still defect all of them. Don't be surprised. So Tinubu can still defect back to PDP. Nothing will happen. They will still give you reasons why they need to justify that. So coming to defend all these people, it is inconsequential. Honestly, that is what we have come to understand. If Obaseki try am, okay, what you want do? Nothing you go fit do now. The one no go collapse. Now, if you be a supporter, now just to follow and too. Now just to follow and nothing go happen. Just to follow. If you don't want to follow, other people go see follow, and that is the way they all play. 100% certain. Yes, it might defect. Of course, this the way Akeredolu said it. He just want to try his luck to say he might defect, but don't be surprised. Is it not Goodluck Jonathan that started crying out that PDP marginalize him or this and that, and people say before you start talking of this on that means something is cooking. Something is cooking. Don't be surprised with these people. They are not trustworthy. So guys, leave your comment below and let's have your take on this. Thank you.